Bakit madali mong i-cancel ang ibang tao dahil sa iisang ginawa nila? Pero yung kalooban mo, mas magulo kesa sa kanila. Para sa mabuhay buhay tayo na magkape't pandasal. We live in a world that wants us to cancel or write people off the second they mess up. It's like we're obsessed with pulling out the weeds before we even know what a plant is. But life is messier than that. People are complicated, and honestly, so are we. We all have weeds and wheat growing inside of us at the same time. If you're too quick to judge a friend, a coworker, or even yourself, you might end up destroying something beautiful that just needed a little more time to grow. Practice a bit of patience. Let things unfold. You don't have to be everything or to fix everyone right this very second. Manalangin po tayo. O aming mahal na Ama, turuan mo kaming maging pasensyoso at manawain sa pagkakamali ng iba at lalo na sa akin. Nawa magtulungan kami upang lumago ang bawat isa sa amin. Amen.